Juice number 1. Pass to Juice number 10. 2 points para kay Juice number 3 to 1. Pass to Juice number 1. Juice number 1. Juice number 1. Pass to Juice number 2 points para kay Juice number 2. 2 points para pass to Juice number 5. 2 points para kay Juice number 10 to shoot. Juice number 8. Juice number 8. Pass to Kaday. Pass to Kaday. Not good. Okay, Juice number 5. 2 points. Juice number 5. 15 to shoot. 2 points para Juice number 6. 2 points para kay Juice number 28. Not good. Okay, Juice number 3. 2 points para kay Juice number 3. Pass to Juice number 28. For the Juice number 6. 2 points para kay Juice number 3. 2 points para kay Juice number 3. Kada. Juice number 28. Not good. Juice number 5. Not good pa rin. Juice number 5. 2 points para 15 to shoot. Juice number 3. Pass to Juice number 3. Not good. Juice number 6. 15 to shoot. Pass a call. Pagkakasama. Kay Jopan Michael. Shot clock is up. 15 seconds. Time remaining. Juice number 17. Basket call. Kami kasama. 5 seconds. 3 seconds. 1.
Number 7. Dribbling the ball. Pass to Kaday. Kaday to Kaday. Kaday bumomba, umikot, tumira, may nakuha foul. Basket. Who's foul? Carranza for 3. 10. Kaday. Kaday to jersey number 2. To jersey number 5. Jersey number 5. Pass to jersey number 3. To jersey number 9. Pumeke, tumira, supply. Rebound by jersey number 9. Tumira ulit. 2 points. Jersey number 2. Dribbling the ball. Pass to jersey number 3, Kaday, atake, lumayap, 2 points yan. Carranza, pass to Leyva to Sablay. Nakakuha ni Carranza, atake, tumira, may kasama pang foul. Caceres to Kaday to Kevin Kaday. 2 points yan. Carranza, pass to Leyva to Carranza for 3. Okay, to Leyva for 3. Supply, rebound by Piso tumira. 2 points. Jimenez is good by Leyva for 3. Supply, Leyva pa rin. Leyva, pass to Hunatas. For long 2. Pumeke to Caceres. To Kaday. 10 to shoot. Kaday for 3. To Carranza for 3. Supply. Rebound by Leyva. Leyva pass to Agoncillo. Agoncillo to Hunatas for long 2. Lista mo yan. Baluyot, Pumeke, lumayap. Supply. Rebound by Hunatas. Hunatas to Carranza. Carranza dribbling the ball. Carranza to Agoncillo to Andalis. 2 points. Pass to Kaday lumayap. Supply, rebound by Kaday tumira. 2 points yan. Play to Leyva. to Hunatas for long two. Lista mo yan. Perez. Pass to Kaday. Kaday to big man Kaday for two. Hunatas for long two again. Sablay. Rebound by jersey number 23, Paluyot. Paluyot. Dribbling the ball. Pass to big man Kaday. Tumira. Lista mo yan. By Hunatas. Hunatas to Alpato for three. Sablay. Rebound by Agoncillo. Agoncillo pinasa kay Hunatas na tabigan na. Wali Alpato. Alpato. Pass to Hunatas. Pass to Carranza. Carranza. 5 to shoot. Is it true? By Carranza. Dribbling the ball. Pass to Paluyot. Paluyot. Attacking. Pass to Big Makaday. 2 points yan. Carranza for 3. Sablay. Naku ni jersey number 9. Pass to jersey number 23. Nagmamadali. Lumayap. Agoncillo. Agoncillo. Pass to Andalis. Andalis tumeke. Pass to Carranza. Carranza. Atake. Tumira. Nakakuha ng foul. Pass. Kaday for 3. Sablay. Rebound by jersey number 9. Jimenez tumeke. Tumira. Butata. Nakakuha ni Ulpato. Pass to Leiva. Leiva to Carranza. Carranza atake. Carranza umatake. 2 points. Carranza. Carranza dribbling the ball. Umatake. Lumayap. Sablay. Rebound by Kaday. Kaday to Paluyot. Paluyot nagmamadali. Lumayap. Sablay. Nakakuha ni Kilyaw. Kilyaw to Kaday. Lista mo yan. 10 seconds. 10 seconds. Leiva to Hunatas. 2 points. To Sailago. Naistila ni Paluyot. Paluyot. Lumaya. 2 points. Go. Dribbling the ball. Sailago. To Agoncillo. Agoncillo to Pinzon. Tumira. 2 points. To Paluyot. Umatake. To jersey number 28. Sablay. Nakuha ni Paluyot. Tumira. Bunata. Nakuha ni Carranza. Carranza pass break to Agoncillo. Agoncillo. Lumaya. Lista na yan. Back to Paluyot. To jersey number 28. Tumira na puntaan. Nakuha ni Agoncillo. Agoncillo nagmamadali. Atake. Pass to Carranza. Carranza sa stepping moves. Tumira. Sablay. Rebound by jersey number 23. Paluyot. Crossover moves. Paluyot nagmamadali. Paluyot. Pass to Kilyaw. To Kaday. For long two. Pass to Paluyot. Paluyot to jersey number 28. 2 points. Paluyot nagmamadali. Lumayap. Sablay. Rebound by Carranza. Carranza to Agoncillo. Atake. Lumayap. May kasama bang foul. Back to Carranza. Carranza umatake ni Yoyo. 2 points yan. Pinasa sa ilalim to Kilyaw. 2 points. Hanap ng papasahan. Pass to Pinzon. Pinzon umatake. Tumira. Nakakuha ng foul. May kasama pang basket. Pass to Kaday. To Kilyaw for 3. Kilyaw. Sailago to Carranza. Carranza. Aatake. For 3. Sablay. Rebound by Big Man Kaday. Pass to Lito Kaday. Lito Kaday. Aatake to Paluyot. Lumayap. 2 points. To Hunatas for long two. 2 points.
Pass to jersey number 6, Carranza. Jersey number 6, 2 points.
15 to shoot. Jersey number 28 for 3. Sablay. Rebound by Carranza. Carranza to Leiva. Leiva easy 2. Paluyot to Caceres. To Paluyot. 10 to shoot. Pass to Caceres. To Lito Kaday. For 3. 67. Jersey number 15 to Carranza to Leiva. For 3. Carranza. Atake. Lumea. 2 points. To Kaday. For 3. Sablay. Nakuha ni Agoncillo. Agoncillo, binababa ng bola. Agoncillo, nasundutan. Nakuha ni Jimenez. Pass to Paluyot. Carranza setting the play. 10 seconds. Carranza. Pinasa kaya Agusino sa ilalim. 2 points. Giliao. Giliao ang atake sa stepping move. Pass to Manay. Tumira. 2 points. For 3. Sablay. Reba may Giliao. Giliao to Jimenez. Ang sunod lang. Wala libid. Libid ang atake ng layup. Lista mo na yan. Jimenez. Pass. To shoot. Carranza. Dribbling the ball. For long 3. Bang! Paday atake pass to Jimenez. Tumira Sablay. Riba by Pigman Gaday. 2 points. Dribbling the ball. To Carranza. Carranza to Meke. Carranza atake. Pinasa kay jersey number 20. 2 points. By Lito Gaday pass to Baluyot. Baluyot nagmamadali. Baluyot. Baluyot. Nawala. Lipin. Dribble the ball. To Carranza for 3. Sablay. Riba pa Giliao. Giliao na sundutan. Nakuha ni Cuello. Pass to Agoncillo. Tumira. 2 points. Teres to Lito Gaday. To Bigman Gaday. Bigman Gaday. Bumomba. Tumira. May kasama pang foul. Bigman Gaday. Bumomba. Umikaw. Tumira. Sablay. Rebound by jersey number 20. Pass to Agoncillo. Agoncillo. Nagmamadali. Agoncillo lumayak. Nakakuha ng foul. Nawala ang bola. Lito Gaday. Dribble the ball. Lito Gaday. Pass to Giliao. Giliao to Caceres. Buta tayo. Is good. Second throw. To Carranza. Carranza. Pass to Lipid. For 3. For long to Sablay. Rebound by Pigman Gaday. Pass to Lito Gaday. Lito Gaday. Pass to Baluyot. Baluyot to jersey number 28. Lumayak. Sablay. Rebound by jersey number 28. Tumira. Sablay pa rin. Nakakuha ni Pinson. Pinson. Iniikot. Pinasa kay Cuello. Cuello to Carranza. Carranza atake. Pinasa kay Agusino. Tumira. 2 points yan. To Baluyot. Baluyot. Pinasa sa kalaban. Nakakuha ni Carranza. Carranza. Pass to Pinson. Lumatake. 2 points. Baluyot. Baluyot nagpapadali. Lumayak. Sablay. Rebound by Pinson. Pinson. Pass to Agoncillo. 2 points. Bigman Gaday. Pass to Giliao. Giliao pumeke. Tumira. Sablay pa rin. Rebound by Baluyot. Baluyot pumipeke. Pumipeke. Pass to Giliao. Sablay. Ako ni Agoncillo. Agoncillo. Dribble the ball. To Carranza. Back to Agoncillo. Agoncillo atake. Lumayak. Sablay. Rebound by Pinson. Pinson tumira. Ako ni Cuello. Cuello po Carranza. Carranza atake. Sa stepping moves. Lumayak. Lista mo na yan. By Carranza. Sablay. Rebound pa rin ni Carranza. Pass to Leyva. For 3. Bang! Jersey number 18, umikot. Jersey number 18, sinusundutan. Nawala ang bola. Nakakuha ni Gunatas to Agoncillo. Agoncillo. To Leyva. For 3. Bang! Jersey number 16, atake. Lumayak. 2 points. Nawala ang bola. Nakakuha ni Baluyot. Baluyot lumayak. 2 points. Naistila ni Giliao. Giliao leleyak. Sablay. Rebound by Leyva. Leyva dribble the ball. Pass to Agoncillo. Agoncillo to Carranza. For long 3. Sablay. Rebound by jersey number 18. Pato jersey number 16. Giliao to jersey number 23. Baluyot. 2 points. Roque dribble the ball. Roque. Roque atake. Pass to Antalis. Tumira. May kasama pang foul. Who's foul right? To Bigman Gaday for 3. Sablay. Rebound by Roque. Broken to jersey number 77 to Carranza. Carranza natapikan. Tawag jersey number 77. Jersey number 77 lumayap. 2 points. Jersey number 16 Kilyao to Baluyot. 2 points. Tulog 2 sa plate. Pinasa kay Olpato. Olpato lumayap. 2 points yan. Andalis to Olpato. For 3. Sablay. Rebound by Caceres. Caceres to Kilyao. End of the game. TK Hoops win.